we are live at BBC Femtinos special with Femtinos Space Station. Hello, thank you for being on air today. So we hear that you're going to an exoplanet. Is this true?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, fantastic. So what are you going to be bringing with you on the spaceship?
I am going to be bringing some food.
Some food, okay.
And some toys.
Some toys, fantastic. Ramesa, you're an astronaut on the spaceship. What are you going to be bringing with you?
I'll be bringing the laptops and a special diamond.
Oh wow!
And I'll be bringing some blueberries, some strawberries, some raspberries, and cucumber and oranges and water.
Oh wow! So you're going to be really healthy on the spaceship. Fantastic. And Fatima, what are you going to be bringing along?
Grapes.
Grapes, amazing.
And I'm going to bring my toy space station.
You're going to bring your toy space station, amazing. Are you looking forward to the journey?
Yeah.
What are you most looking forward to when you get into space?
I want to see all the planets.
You want to see all the planets?
And I want to see the whole sun and
Amazing. Ramesa, what would you like to see when you get onto the exoplanets?
I would like to see some animals. I would like to see some colourful planets and colourful stars and colourful suns and colourful moons and colourful everything.
Oh wow, so there's loads of colour, fantastic. What about you, Fatima? What would you like to see?
I would like to see all the planets. They're not only these planets, there's more planets that we haven't thought of.
Amazing, fantastic. So I just want one word from each of you. How do you feel about going to an exoplanet? One word. You excited? Okay, what about you?
I feel nervous.
You feel nervous? What about you? How do you feel?
I feel funny.
You feel funny? Amazing. Thank you for coming on air today, Femtinos Space Station. It's been a pleasure. Thank you. Woo-hoo. Woo.